Hello everyone, Miguel Perez Colino here. Let me do a brief demo on MCP in SUSE Linux Enterprise Service 16. Okay, if you don't know it, MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It's a standard released by Anthropic around a year ago to be able to connect anything to AI, to artificial intelligence. Okay, in this case, SUSE Linux Enterprise Server comes with capabilities to be able to do that. I want to show you those. Okay, so this is a regular SLES. Okay, just SLES 16. Just released, you see, super nice, super cool. I really suggest you to try it. Now, it comes with a package that I have already installed, which is called MCP host. Now, whoops. This is MCP host itself. I just wanted to grab MCP host. Okay, sorry. No, this package is installed. It's one single package, super easy to install and super easy to run, as you can see. As you can see. Now, MCP host is installed and running. Everything's okay. Now we have it configured here. Now, if we take a look at MCP host YAML, I mean, there are some private data here. So let me put it this one. And this is the MCP host configuration file. Okay. That's another video explaining how to install it and configure the basic settings. And here we're just using Google Gemini. We need an API configuration key. So you can go to AI Studio in Google and get your Gemini API key to access it. Of course, I have my own key. You have to get your own key. I'm here putting a lot of zeros here, so you'll remember to change it, okay? Now, I added some MCP servers, which in this case are just file access, okay? We have a file system access to TMP, and this one is read and write, okay? We have also file system access to ETC. This one is read-only. We have also file system access to user etc, which is the defaults that come in SLES 16. So when a packet comes with a default configuration, it will be dropped here and it will be used unless something else is here. And finally, we have bar log, also read-only to access the logs, and proc. And the last part is the system proc. This is our default system proc. So this is my configuration, very simple, as you can see. Now let's take a look at the system proc. The system proc is super simple. Okay, your experience is admin, expert in SUSE Linux, profound focus on security, and we have always interested in keeping your system running at its performance while keeping everything resilient and secure. To provide clear, brief answers. Okay, we want brief answers. When asked about our service, check logs and provide output. You resort to official SUSE documentation and provide reference to it when it's possible. You're running SUSE Linux Enterprise Service 16. Tips from 15 may work, but check the documentation first. Okay, good. Now, we can run MCP host now, okay? And we can say, what is happening in this system? Which services are running or configured to run? Okay, now we are asking the question. Now, it's connected to Gemini. Is taking a look at the file system directories, taking a look at etc, taking a look at var log, taking a look at proc, which is great. Okay, inspecting running processes using proc, which is very useful. And now is getting the listings of system D, and now getting more listings on system D on the targets and whatnot. And now it's telling us, look, wow, nice. You have here two web servers. You have Apache to install and configure and running. You have Tomcat install, configure and running. And then we have the system services like Network Manager, FireD, SSH, Chrony, ODT, RSS log, and then other services like Read QEMOD and LB2 Monitor. Okay. Now the most important one is these two. Okay, we have Apache and Tomcat running. So we have these two services running. Now I was like, okay, tell me more about Tomcat running in this system. Is it running okay? And now it will tell me more about Tomcat in the system. Now it's checking the systemd file for Tomcat. It's checking the logs, checking all the logs that we have in here, checking directory listings for Tomcat, bar log Catalina out, which is the main log. And it's giving me a lot of information on this. Now, based on my analysis, Tomcat 7 is not running correctly. Here's what I found. Semi configuration shows that Tomcat service is configured to start and boot and run as a Tomcat user. Good, that is good. Log files. The main file is empty. Indicates Tomcat service has not started or not producing log output. Other log files in the directory are also empty. Okay. Now, conclusion. Tomcat service is running, and there are no error messages available in the log files. Okay. Now we can run journal ctl-u Tomcat service to know more. Okay. Good. Now, interesting. Okay, so Catalina out, the C has been compressed. So we don't have anything Catalina out, so it has detected perfectly that our system has compressed the logs and the Tomcat service is not running. Now, let me restart the Tomcat service. For that, we have to type our password. We sudo systemctl. Now let me see if I can type the top password. Okay. Now let's take a look here. Okay, now we have logs. Let's do it again. MCP host. Tell me about Tomcat running in this system. Is it running? Okay. Now let's see. Now goes to Catalina and checks the logs and tells me more about Tomcat. Right now it has detected again. Catalina out was empty because it has been rotated, which is great. Oh. No, I mean, you can find Tomcat system. Okay, weird. Now, please check Tomcat logs. Let's see if it can take Tomcat logs. We lost the context when we tried to kill the MCP host, and now we are telling it specifically, please take a look at Tomcat logs. Let's see if it takes it. It's now looking at the Tomcat logs, and it's telling us, oh, wow, okay, so Tomcat is running, but the logs show some words, okay? Most important, missing jar file, common collections. Okay, I removed this file to have this error, so I can show you. So now you can see it has detected this issue, okay? Then there's an outdated library, recommends 130 to, well, we have 1.2.39. This library has been patched with backports, so we are okay there. But it's good that it's telling us, okay, this library can be having an issue. And then there are some warnings about Java 9 configuration, but the memory leak, you may need to add this to your JVM command line arguments. Okay, so as you can see, we have system running here, has detected minor issues, some issues that we have created ourselves, and we can now run it nicely and see how it works and how it detects issues in our system. So thank you very much for watching.